It is a very common requirement for app developers to have self-service access to infrastructure for their development and testing purposes. What if a platform team can create and provide curated templates for environments that can be provisioned in a self-service manner by developers? In this video series on generative AI, we will showcase two examples of environment templates created by Rafay for our customers. These two templates are designed for users on AWS, specifically those on Amazon ECS and EKS. Note that the templates for Azure will be available shortly. In this video, we will demonstrate one of the examples from Rafay's infrastructure templates for generative AI. This template is targeted at organizations that use AWS as their infra provider and wish to leverage one of the foundational LLM models supported by AWS's Bedrock Generative AI service. In part 1, we will demonstrate how app developers can use a self-service experience to provision an Amazon ECS-based environment to deploy and operate generative AI containerized applications. With Rafay Environment Manager, the platform team's responsibility is to develop and maintain environment templates for the organization. Users such as developers and data scientists are consumers of the environment templates. In our example, the platform team has provided the developer with a ready-to-use environment template in the developer's role-based access control project. This template uses ECS with AWS Fargate, and therefore the cost of running this environment 24/7 is approximately $9 a month. This is extremely cost-effective for any organization. The developer can now use the environment template to create a complete operating environment. Let's create a new environment based on the latest version of the provided template. We're going to use the defaults provided in the template and skip the overrides for now. Let's save the environment and provision it. Once initiated, Rafay Environment Manager retrieves the Terraform infrastructure's code backing the environment template from the configured Git repository, applies the provided overrides, and starts provisioning the infrastructure. Note that the developer does not have or need access to the Git repository hosting the Terraform code. In fact, they do not need to know any Terraform at all. Note that the developer does not need to handle or have visibility into cloud credentials or secrets of other kinds for environment provisioning. The environment provisioning can take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Let's follow things on the AWS console to demonstrate that these resources are indeed being created. As you can see, the VPC, the ECS cluster reported in the Environment Manager is now visible in the AWS console as well. Now let us check how we can access our GenAI application. Conveniently, our environment displays the URL of the deployed application. Let us navigate to the Resources tab, and as we can see, the application can be accessed on this URL. Let us attempt to access it using a web browser. Cool. Our GenAI application, powered by Amazon ECS and Amazon Bedrock, is now active and available for use. Now let's attempt to use it. In summary, the app developer was able to provision a highly cost-effective Amazon ECS-based environment to deploy and operate their GenAI application. Interested in trying this template yourself? Sign up for a free trial of Rafay's Environment Manager. Read about GenAI environment template for Amazon ECS. Access the source code for this template in our public Git repository. Thank you.